expensive. Oh my God, why can't I say that word? I will leave it here. It's like I can't speak. I can say elasticity now. Elasticity. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below how your day is going. Mine's doing pretty good. Today is the 30th when I'm filming this, and my daughter on July 31st is going to be 19 years old. I cannot believe I have a 19-year-old daughter. My son in November is going to be 24, and it's like, oh my God, I have a 24-year-old, right? So anyway, if you read from my title, I'm going to be unboxing the most expensive subscription box that I know of. And it is the Sunday Riley subscription box. I thought I canceled this. In the summertime, I try to put some subscriptions on hold or cancel them because I don't get a lot of subscription box in the summer. I try to save the money that way and use that money to do stuff with the kids in the summertime. Because this is a very expensive box and I do pay for this. And when it showed up, I was like, did I cancel it? And I must have forgot because it is here. And I'm not mad at it because I've been liking it, but is it worth $95? Now, if you just get a one-time box, that's where you pay the $95. But if you get the monthly, bi-monthly subscription, then it's $85. But $85 is still expensive. And when I first seen this, it said Sunday Riley. So I thought everything in this box was Sunday Riley. Boy, was I mistaken. So it does come themed every other month. And of course, this month is the beach theme. So I'm gonna put it on the table right here. That way I don't shake this table in the camera because a lot of times I forget and the table is shaking. And if you're wondering what is on my face, if you wait to the end of the video, I will tell you what is on my face. All right, so let's open her up. All right. So when you open her up, it comes with the tissue paper and then like that. So you do get a lot of things in there. And I am seeing something in here that I know is a lot of money. But we will get to that. So you always get like a little brochure to tell you what each product is, and it gives you prices as well. So the first thing that I see as soon as I opened it was the Sunday Riley Untitled Brightening Ensign Water Cream. And this is $65. So this is kind of worth getting the box if you like this cream. I love, love, love water creams. All right. This thing's hard. All right. So you'd think it's bigger, right? I mean, all this packaging, but okay. So this is what it looks like right here. I've never had the full size, but I have had samples in my Macy's box, and let's see. I want to see how filled it is. Oh yeah, it's definitely filled to the top, so that's good. It's like a greenish color. All right. So far I am definitely liking this box. All right, let me put that over there where I'm not shaking the table. What else do we have? What is the next thing? All right, let me just pull out what I see. And then we have this Real Techniques brushes and sponge, which I love the Real Techniques brushes. And I love their sponges. I really, really do. So I'm definitely excited to get this. Let me see where it's at and give you a price. Where you be? Where you be? Why can't I find it? Okay, here it is. So for this set, it is $19.99. It says each brush is 100% cruelty-free, which is good. All right, so we have that. So right there, you're paying for the box, okay? Then we have this R Plus Co. Foil Frizz Static Control Spray. So that's good because if you have curly hair or wavy hair, even if you have straight hair, a lot of times in the humidity, you frizz, right? So that is definitely good to get that. Let's see. Let's see where you be. Okay, So this would be $29. So that's good. It says, put a light lid on frizz and static with foil. This spray creates a long-lasting, flexible control for smooth, shiny results. Vegan and cruelty-free. All right, let me spray this puppy and see what the scent is like. I don't really smell anything. Let me try again. Oh, that has a pleasant smell. I mean, it kind of smells like hairspray, but it's not bad. It's not like that. Remember that Aquanet? Who remembers Aquanet back in the 90s? All right. The next thing we got is Tan Lux the Body. This is Illuminating Self-Tan Drops right there. So let's see. So it looks like this. There we go. All right. So you could have got 2 shades. So, holy cow, this is $65. What in the world? So I got the lighter shade. There were 2 shades that you could have got, and I got the lighter shade. Wow. So if you want 2 drops, you get Radiant, 4 drops Sun-Kissed, 8 drops Golden, and 12 drops Bronze. All right. These things kind of scare me because it's like, I'm scared to turn orange, you know? All right, and then we have this. So what is this? Where's my cutter? All right, so this is what it says. Carry on. What is this? What you be? All right, so it's a 10. I have no idea what this is. What is this? This is Italian Spritz. You have a spoon here. And then you have this. I have no idea what this is. What are you? Okay, this is a carry and cocktail kit. It is the Italian Spritz, retail value for $24. Inspired by Italian culture, this kit includes the tools to craft 2 sparkling Spritz cocktails, Midnight, including a refreshing citrus cocktail syrup. Simply add Prosecco and stir. All right, well, I don't drink, so I will see if somebody else wants that. And then we have this. This is from Lena Bernard. All right, so this is like a bracelet, emerald bracelet. I'm having an awful time getting things open. All right, so that's what it looks like. That looks small. Like, can that fit on me? Okay, so there we go. So it does fit. Let's see what this is. All right, so this says, holy crap, this says it's $78. Designer Lena Bernard credits her California upbringing as her source of inspiration. Her jewelry blends beachy boho ease to old Hollywood glamour and can easily be dressed both up and down. She honed her skills while training as a goldsmith in Italy and has since moved her production to Bali, where each piece is handcrafted by local artisans. All right, I don't know if I would pay $78, but all right. It's not too much my style, but you know. All right, then we have this. So they do package everything really good. So this says Kush. Uh-oh. Boy smells. It must be a candle. Oh, that smells good. This is really nice packaging. All right. Anything that says Kush, I like. All right, so this is $16. It just says green, bright, and a wisp of delicate floral. As the cannabis flowers and brushed suede warm up, the amber accord grounds this dark and intoxicating scent. Maybe that's why I like the smell. I don't know. I don't smoke weed. I haven't done it in years, but I like the smell of it. I know it's weird. All right, then we have these two samples here. You always get two little samples. Usually they're Sunday Riley. All right, so we have a sample of this Good Jeans right here, and then this A+ right here. I have both of these, so I'm going to put this right back here and put it in a future giveaway. But let's read up a little bit about it. All right, so the A+, that is retail valued for $15 for that tiny sample. And then the Good Jeans is $18 for that sample. Holy crap. These must be really, really expensive for the full size. All right, so we have two more things. We have something in here. Let me cut this thing open. All right, so we have this. It looks like a highlighter. Look, I cut the box. So this is from Kula. Skinny Dip. Right there. Let me see what it is before I even swatch it. Is that a highlighter? Would you be? I don't know. All right, so this is a Lip Hooray. Oh, so this is a mineral tinted lip balm sunscreen. And this is $18. Oh, so it just fell. So that's good because sometimes my lips do get sunburned. So that is really nice. So I'm going to swatch it because I'll definitely use it. Let's see. And it's very, very little. It's tinted, but just a little bit, which is nice. It doesn't really have a scent to it. I am like probably most excited for this. This is really good. And last but not least is a book here. So this is from K.A. Tucker. This is a nationally best-selling author. Says, "Say You Still Love Me." Okay, and there is her right there. All right, so let's see what this is about. All right, so that retails for $17. It says best-selling author K.A. Tucker delivers a sizzling novel about an ambitious and high-powered oh my God, why can't I say that word? I will leave it here. It's like I can't speak. I can say elasticity now. Elasticity, I can say that. Who reconnects with her first love, the boy who broke her heart. All right, so let's recap what we got in the summer Sunday Riley. So we have the book. We have the candle, which I love. We have the two little samples of the Sunday Riley. We have the lip balm sunscreen, which I love. We have the Sunday Riley water cream, which is 65 buckaroos. We have this that says it's $78. We have this, which is nice. This is $19.99. Then we have this frizz control right here. And then we have these tan drops that are, I forgot the price, but they're quite expensive. Oh, and we got this to make your drinks. So that's everything that we got. I definitely think the value is there. We can't knock that. You definitely get your $85, or if you just get it one time, you definitely get a $95 value in it. But it's so expensive. Is it worth the price? Comment down below and let me know what you think of this box. Do you think it's worth it? Do you like it? Would you rather have a Sunday Riley subscription has all Sunday Riley prices in it? Do you like that it comes themed? Let me know all the tea so I know what to do. Should I cancel this or keep it going? I don't know. But if you stay to the end, let's talk about what's on my face. So I am wearing, this is from Makeup Revolution. This is the Chili palette, and it has a mirror, but these are the colors right there. This palette is so pretty. I love it. Then I also got the pizza palette. Let me show you what that looks like. So there, right there are the colors. I haven't even swatched these. They just came in the mail today. And then the famous avocado one that is going around. I think these are like $15 a piece. Isn't that gorgeous? This one's gorgeous. I mean, I've only tried the chili one, but it is good. It is really, really good. And then I got some things in PR that I tried, and let me just tell you what it is. So Deuce had sent me some of their things. And there we have here, we have their bronzing, comes with a nice mirror, bronzing and highlight. Love the highlight. I have the highlight on today. This is gorgeous. It is subtle, but it's really, really pretty. I don't know if you can see it right here. The only thing, this is in the shade Light, and the bronzer is just way too light for me. You couldn't really hardly see it on my skin. So it's a little too light, but I love, love, love the highlighter. Then I got a mascara, which I like the mascara, but I am the type of gal that I have to use 2 and 3 different mascaras. So I have 2 different mascaras on. I put this on first, which definitely lengthens my eyelashes. But then I have to go on with my tried and true Bad Gal Bang from Benefit, and that kind of like puts the volume a little bit, and it lengthens. So let me show you this wand though. If you have smaller eyes, I mean, look how big this wand is. That is really big. Anywho, but I do like it, just not a standalone. You know, you got to be careful because I hit my skin eye? I don't know what you would call it. My eyelid a few times. Then we have this lipstick here. It's like a lipstick lip gloss. I have on the Anastasia shade in Allison. I had that on first, then I went in and dabbed a little bit on like just the center, and then I have the Alamar lip gloss on top because red wouldn't go with this. It would kind of clash, but this is really pretty. Now I love this so much. That is gorgeous. I like that. And last but not least, I have this eyeliner, and I have it in my waterline, and this is really creamy because it's a pencil, and I don't like a lot of pencils because, you know, sometimes they're sharp, but this is very, very creamy, and I really like it. So you have this, and then you have like a smudger thing on here, which I'll never use the smudger. So I did try that out, and that's what I think of the Deuce products. I don't know, I just love their packaging. Look at the packaging. Gorgeous. All right, enough of me rambling. I love you guys. I do have a couple giveaways going on. I will leave right here. Like this video if you like it. Dislike it if you don't. But make sure you rate the video because it does help me out. Subscribe so you can get onto my future giveaways. And make sure you put that bell on so you can be notified for all my future videos and my giveaways. And yeah, that's everything, guys. I love you guys so much. And I will see you in my next video. Oh, I forgot. As always, I leave videos right here. All right. See you in my next video. Bye.